think he likes you. Cause he's looking at you with the bass like, damn, Romeo, let me get a piece of that shit. Stop it, she's all mine. Actually, let me talk to you for a second. What type of kisses you like? French kiss? Okay. Now, actually, you do know there's many types of kisses, right? You got the French kiss, that's popular. And then you have, how can I say this in English? Let me first say it in Spanish, then I'm gonna say it in English. There's a kiss very popular, it's called El Beso Imprevisto. El Beso Sorpresivo. It's called, how can I say it in English? I wanna translate it exactly. There's the surprise kiss. You ever heard of that? The surprise kiss. Are you familiar with that kiss?
No.
See, well, let me explain how that works, baby. That's a kiss you're not waiting for. It just comes out of nowhere. Are you familiar with that?
Yes.
Which one you like better out of the both I just mentioned?
Cross.
But you didn't answer me, baby. You didn't answer me. Like if you had to pick, because you said you like the French kiss, but then I like a surprise kiss. If you had to pick between both, which one you choose?
Cross.
Ashley. You didn't answer. Ashley's like, I like all those fucking kisses.